Outside Britain's highest court, they were still shouting about Brexit. Groups opposed to and in favour of Britain's departure from the European Union getting their points across. Gina Miller is the investment manager who brought the original case to the High Court. Many pro-Brexit supporters accuse her of trying to undermine the referendum result. She's been widely abused on social media and has even received death threats. But the 11 judges inside will not be ruling on the legality of Brexit, but on a question of process. Is it the government or Parliament which must invoke Article 50, thereby initiating Britain's withdrawal from the EU?
The justices of the court are of course aware of the public interest in this case, and we are aware of the strong feelings associated with the many other wider political questions surrounding the United Kingdom's departure from the European Union. However, as will be apparent from the arguments before us, those wider political questions are not the subject of this appeal. This appeal is concerned with legal issues, and as judges, our duty is to consider those issues impartially and to decide the case according to the law. That is what we will do.
The government's lawyers have been speaking first. Their argument is that it is the government that has the power or prerogative to sign or withdraw from foreign treaties without a vote in Parliament.
The position of the respondents and others in this case has always been that they have no interest in derailing Brexit, but only in defending Parliament's role in the process. But if this is all about standing up for Parliament, I say Parliament can stand up for itself.
Later in the week, lawyers for the various groups who initiated this case will reply and argue that it was Parliament that granted certain rights to the British people when the country joined the EU, and only Parliament can take those rights away. If the judges agree, Theresa May could find that her intention to invoke Article 50 by the end of March 2017 is no longer possible.
There will be 4 days of public hearings, but we don't expect the judges to reach their verdict until January. Barnaby Phillips, Al Jazeera, at the UK Supreme Court in Westminster.